I've seen it last for 30 years, seen it bloom and end in tears. I've seen it after school and in the park. Sat right across me on the tube, seen it miss a stop or two, seen it trying not to fall apart. I've heard it laced in every song, and still the words all come out wrong. It doesn't always answer when you call. Brings out the worst, brings out the best. I understand it less and less. I guess I'm not supposed to know it all. I've seen it dance with friends around the table, and Eleanor, Rosie and Louise. And it makes me cry to think that I am able to give it back the way it gives to me. I've seen it grow and forget until it's just a silhouette, till someone picks it up and sends it on. I've seen the films, I've read the books. My mom and dad, they got me hooked. The fairy tale, the search goes on and on. The more you look, the more you find. It's all around you all the time. Catches your eye, you blink, and then it's gone. Brings out the worst, brings out the best. I know it's somewhere in my chest. I guess it's been inside me all along.